Music is an incredible part of humans' emotions. So when you are celebrating a wedding, you are celebrating your emotions. Weddings are called celebration of pleasure, progress, prosperity and joy. It is also a pyramid of elevation to reach each other's heart, emotions and understanding. Beginning of Vedic Vivaha Sanskar Vidhi is always with worshipping Vignaharta, Sukhakarta, Dukkharta, Lord Ganesha. Kuldevi or Kuldevta, they are the protectors of the family. The purpose is to ensure that the spiritual powers of Kuldevi or Kuldevta help bride and groom live positively and make great progress on many fronts. The welcoming ceremony of groom's family is called Barat Swagat, Samayu or Milni, where bride's family members gather and give warm welcome to esteemed Baratis. One of the most exciting moments of the wedding is arrival of the groom. Welcoming groom is an important part of wedding ritual. Swagatam, Swagatam, Suswagatam. Bride has mixed emotions on the day of wedding. Joy, excitement, nervousness. So many feelings come together as it is life-changing event and a new beginning for her. And so, we at Sparkle Entertainment welcome her with lot of love and lots of blessings. The Varmala ceremony is also referred as Jaimala ceremony. It is the commencement of Hindu wedding rituals, serving as the first time the bride and the groom meet before starting the wedding rituals, wedding ceremony. The exchange of garland represents the acceptance and union of each other forever and rest of their life.
Shri Raghuvar Komal Kamal Nayan ko pehnao Jaimala. Ram Ram Jai Raja Ram, Ram Ram Jai Sita Ram.
Pokhna is the ritual where mother of the bride does Mangal Aarti of the groom, puts tilak on his forehead and then does Pokhna ceremony with churning rod, spinner, pestle and yoke of the chariot. Finally, she holds groom's nose and reminds him that he has to take care of her princess as his queen.
नमस्ते ब्रह्मरूपाय विष्णुरूपाय ते नमः नमस्ते रुद्ररूपाय करिरूपाय ते नमः नमस्ते ब्रह्मरूपाय
हस्तमिलाप की मंगल बेला आई है. Always connected together as friends, as family, and support and understand each other by giving love, which leads to a happy life.
लग्नं सुदिनं तदेव ताराबलं चन्द्रबलं तदेव विद्याबलं देवबलं तदेव लक्ष्मीपते ते ध्रियुगं स्मरामि.
The bride and the groom circle the sacred fire 4 times, signifying the 4 basic human goals of dharma, that's virtue, artha, that's wealth, karma, that's family, and moksha, that's enlightenment.
In wedding rituals, these are carved very well.
The bride and the groom
They give promises to each other, take vows to be there for each other at every moment of life. As Ram and Sita always believed in dharma and all decisions were taken as per dharma, and so you both also believe in divinity, spirituality, and move ahead in your life with dharma.